Well guys, we finally got one down here. He made about 3 or 4 laps around us. I don't know how he didn't catch our wind really, but anyways, we finally got him stopped down there and made a good shot on him. It's starting to rain on us pretty good, so we're gonna get down there and look at him. Well, as y'all probably saw, it was a pretty chaotic hunt. We had coyotes running everywhere and in and out, but had trouble getting one of them stopped, and finally got this one stopped down here about, I'd say 150 to 200 yards, something like that. But we started our stand out with some MFK's Boone Lone Line. Gave them a couple minute break after that. Went into some field mouse and nothing popped out. We actually, after the howls, you know, you probably heard them in the video pretty good, but we had a bunch of coyotes answer us over this way and went into some field mouse, nothing showed. And after that, we went right into some coyote pup howl too, and then they answered again over there and went into some woodpecker, and that's when the first one showed up. And then after that, it was just all switching back and forth between MFK's pup sounds and Fox Pro's pup sounds, and that's what got the job done in the end. So it was an awesome hunt here in Kentucky. Got our Fox Pro X24 sitting here with us, and thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.